Ever wondered how the stock market works? It's like a buzzing marketplace, not of goods, but of shares in publicly traded companies. Yes, you heard right. When you buy a share, you're buying a tiny piece of ownership in a business. And why do people invest in the stock market? It's simple. It's a tried and tested avenue to potentially grow your wealth over time, outpacing inflation, and allowing your money to do the heavy lifting. The stock market is essentially a giant marketplace for trading ownership in businesses. So, who are the main players in this marketplace, you might ask? Well, there are three key players in the stock market. First, there are the companies. They issue shares, also known as stocks, to raise capital for their operations. Then, there are the investors like you and me, who buy these shares with an expectation of earning a return. And finally, we have the brokers. They act as intermediaries, facilitating the buying and selling of stocks. The stock market can be volatile, with prices fluctuating based on a myriad of factors. This volatility can lead to potential losses, but it's also what makes it possible to achieve significant returns. Historically, despite periods of decline, the stock market has provided substantial long-term returns. Now, let's navigate to some basic investment strategies. One is buy and hold, a long-term strategy where you purchase stocks and hold on to them for years or even decades. This approach is based on the belief that over time, the market will provide a decent rate of return despite periods of volatility. Another strategy is diversification. This involves spreading your investments across a variety of stocks or other types of investments. The goal is to offset potential losses in one area with gains in another. Buy and hold and diversification are two popular strategies that can help manage risk in the stock market. Before diving in, it's crucial to do your homework. Researching a company's financial health, management team, industry trends, and other pertinent factors helps you make informed investment decisions. To recap, remember that the stock market is a space of endless possibilities. It allows you to grow your wealth, but it also comes with risks. The key players include companies, investors, and brokers, and the two main types of stocks are common and preferred. Investing in stocks requires patience, knowledge, and a long-term perspective. Keep learning, stay informed, and happy investing.